Gusto ko na siya kainin pero alam ko mainit. Bang bang halo-halo. Bang bang. Bonding kami ng family today. So excited. Tomorrow, I also wanna eat Filipino food because I'm craving siklab. Kaso ang haba ng pila. I heard you can reserve online. bistro.com.ph. Book a table now. Siklab. Table for 4. That's it. We're here. We have a reservation for Ben.
Yes, sir. We do have one.
See, hindi ka napipila. Online reservation is the key. At, oh my God. Wow, kasama rin siya sa 50 great restaurants in the Philippines. Init sa Pilipinas! Ampalaya! Bayanihan Feast. Buti nagpa-reserve ako. Fully booked today. At ang haba ng pila ba? Fried chicken. Tokwat baboy. Kuhol ni Tanggol. Parang ang weird pakinggan ng pangalan na kuhol. Wow, sarap. Chewy. More. Kapalitan ko na yung pangalan ko dito. King of Ampalaya. Ampalaya pa lang, ubos na. Filipino food hits different. So good. Fried chicken and ketchup, the best. Sinigang. Bagay pala bayabas sa sinigang. 9 out of 10. Oh my gosh. Busog. Ingit kayo, no? Para siyang may bingsu instead na crushed ice. Cheers! Try mo. Bistro group din to. Sobrang sarap. See you guys again on my next Ravens.